thunderstorm warning for Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, southern Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, east central Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 5 o'clock p.m. At 4:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sturtevant to 5 miles north of Silver Lake, to Elkhorn to 6 miles north of Darien to Milton, and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Paddock Lake and Como around 4:25 p.m. Silver Lake and Lake Geneva around 4:30 p.m. Kenosha Airport and Williams Bay around 4:35 p.m. Pleasant to Prairie and Twin Lakes around 4:40 p.m. Downtown Kenosha and Walworth around 4:45 p.m. Sharon around 5 o'clock p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Elmwood Park, Slades Corners, New Munster, Delavan, Salem, Bristol, Johnstown Center, Bassett, Fontana and Allens Grove. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for Kenosha, North